What do you do when an aging aircraft hangar door needs replacing, but shutting down operations isn't an option? That was the challenge for Perimeter Air at Winnipeg's Richardson International Airport. Their decades-old main hangar door was becoming a liability. Mechanical issues, poor insulation, and high energy costs made it clear a replacement was needed. But with daily operations running non-stop, downtime wasn't an option. The solution? Build a brand new sliding door in front of the old one. This approach allowed Perimeter Air to continue using their existing door while construction took place, keeping their operations running smoothly. This upgrade wasn't just about a new door, it was a full-scale retrofit, including structural reinforcement, a new steel framework for enhanced durability, rail replacement, a drainage system to prevent ice buildup, mechanical modernization, motorized systems and automation for efficiency, safety upgrades, advanced locking and emergency systems for compliance. The result? A cutting-edge, energy-efficient hangar door that improves safety, insulation, and operational efficiency, all with minimal disruption to Perimeter Air's daily operations. This project is a testament to how smart engineering can modernize aging infrastructure without compromising productivity. New meets old, and the result is a door built for the future.